Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Indian investors investing in Jamaica. Now the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, is in India, and the Prime Minister has invited Indian investors to explore opportunities in Jamaica. So guys, I'm asking you today, what areas do you think Indian investors could help Jamaica with? Now, Jamaica has a lot of possibilities, but I think the main industry or the main thing that the Indian investors can do to help Jamaica is to set up an island-wide railway service. Now, India has the fourth largest railway network in the world. So basically, they know about trains in India. The Indian Railway is the second largest employer in India. It is the Ministry of Railways of the Government of India operates India's national railway system. It is the fourth largest national railway system in the world. And it is India's second largest employer. And it is the ninth largest employer in the world. So clearly, India knows about trains. Now, Jamaica has no train service. So, between the sharing of technology between the Jamaican government and the Indian government, we should be able to get our trains up and running again. And then the Prime Minister is inviting investors to invest in projects in Jamaica. So I'm hoping that the investors will invest in the trains, and the Indian government will help the Jamaican government to get the train service up and running again in Jamaica. So guys, let us know what you think. In what areas can the Indian government help Jamaica with the transfer of technology, etc., and what would you like to see the Indian investors investing in Jamaica? Now, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the Prime Minister is talking about in India. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness has invited Indian investors to explore business opportunities in Jamaica. He cited prospects for innovative business investments in tourism, infrastructure development, renewable energy, animation, medical tourism, and health. He noted that with the island's extensive harbor and port systems, we are the gateway for Indian innovation in the Americas. I think the time is right for a trade and business delegation from India to visit Jamaica. I mentioned this to Prime Minister Modi, and he welcomed the possibilities of such a trade delegation. The Prime Minister was addressing a dinner reception during his working visit to India. He said that his trip is intended to herald a new era of Jamaica-India partnership, Jamaica-India friendship and partnership. Dr. Holness said that Jamaica is looking forward to working with the Confederation of India Industry to explore areas of cooperation. Of special interest, he noted, is working with Indian companies on joint research projects and technology transfer to enhance Jamaica's research and development landscape, particularly in the areas of biotechnology, as well as products and drug development using Jamaica's natural resources. We also want to welcome Indian companies providing software development and maintenance, cybersecurity, back office, finance and accounting services, he added. Based in Delhi, CII is a non-governmental trade association and advocacy group that represents the interests of Indian businesses in various sectors, chiefly engineering, manufacturing, consulting, and services. The organization works to create and sustain an environment conducive to the development of India. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So they did mention infrastructure, and the railway service would fall on the infrastructure. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are driving on Spanish Town Road today. Alright guys, have a good day.